Figma stock analysis next week, Monday and onwards, right? Is next week a buy or not? Let's talk about it. I'm the only person in this space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and I've documented them all. So in this here, I'm just showing you what's working for me and what's not. Especially with Figma, because it's like such a crazy bearish market, the one thing that I care most about is if I see a double break. Now, I've done few receipts in the Discord. I have 7 receipts. For me especially, I've been bearish from the beginning, and since it's been going down, I'm not shifting my idea. It's still gonna stay here in Send Truth. This is made pre-market, and without any sort of a second break above $91.15, I'm not gonna be looking forward to taking things higher or lower. Like, generally speaking, why the heck would I do so? Why the heck would I try to like reinvent warm water when I already have 45,000 videos made and seen what's working for me, plus data shows? You know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce and stock picks and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.